Hello students, let us start the economics of HS second year. Today is our first class and we are going to study the microeconomics chapter 1. So the first chapter is introduction. So let me start first with the points I have already written here. First one is definition of economics. So what is economics? As you already got in HS first year that economics is nothing but a social science which studies the economic behavior of human being. Means the activities which are relating to profits, which are relating to production, distribution, etc. Now here we divide the economics on the basis of organization, on the basis of activities into two parts. On the basis of study of scope of study, we divided the economy into two parts. First one is microeconomics and second one is macroeconomics. So in our first part, microeconomics, it contains 50 marks and the second one, macroeconomics, also contains 50 marks. So let me start the first part, microeconomics. So what is microeconomics? Let me introduce the microeconomics. Microeconomics, micro means small. So microeconomics basically deals with the activities, with the behavior, with the scopes of small economic activities. That means if we say the definition, then we can say that microeconomics is that part of economy which studies the economic behavior of a particular individual, a particular firm, a particular institution. Okay, that means, for example, suppose the income of a person, the production of a firm, etc. And on the other hand, macro means large. So in macroeconomics, what is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is that part of economy which studies the economy as a whole. That means the economy as a whole. Suppose if we say the income of a person, that is the subject matter of microeconomics. But if we say that the income of the whole nation, that means our national income, then it becomes a subject matter of macroeconomics. Okay, all right. So say here some questions always given on the basis of microeconomics and macroeconomics, their definitions, the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Okay, so the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics, you can say that the microeconomics deals with the individual economic problems, whereas the macroeconomics deals with the economic problem as a whole. Second one is the scope of microeconomics is very small, whereas the scope of macroeconomics is very large. Okay, in examples you can write that the scope of microeconomics is the individual income, individual profits, etc., the price of a commodity, the aggregate demand, aggregate supply are the subject matter of macroeconomics. Okay, the demand for a particular good is subject matter of micro, the aggregate demand for all goods becomes subject matter of macroeconomics. The price of a commodity is a subject matter of micro, the price level becomes a subject matter of macro. Now say here, introduction of micro and macro we already completed. Now say we have to study the central problem of economics. That means why we study economics. Okay, so first of all we study economics because our needs are unlimited. Okay, our wants, our needs are unlimited. We always want more and more things. We want to achieve, we want to purchase more things, is not it? So our wants are unlimited, but the resources by which we can fulfill our wants are in limited quantity. So to fulfill our wants with the scarce or limited resources, we have to study the following problems which arises. The first one is what to produce and in what quantity. Second one is how to produce, and third one is for whom to produce. So first of all, when a producer going to produce some goods, then he might select that which goods are very important, that means very necessary to produce. Okay, and in what quantity. Okay, And second one is how to produce. It deals with the methods, by which methods the goods are going to produce. And third one is for whom to produce. That means what income level of the people. Suppose we are going to produce for a rich person, for a middle class income level person, or for a poor person. Okay, so this is our first video of economics. We will continue in our second video. So thank you.